Masjid Raya, the big mosque in Aceh. Masjid Raya is a mosque, Banggaan Mosque of Aceh. Why? Because Masjid Raya, Baitul Rahman Mosque is a symbol of the people of Aceh. There, the general of Nizamlan was killed there. The name is Kohono. But now the trees, the name is color trees. But now it's tidak ada lagi because perluas. So and I think all the people of Indonesia, other countries in the world, just want to see the Baitul Rahman Mosque, because when the tsunami has been when the tsunami menghantam Aceh,